The XRE1 Pro stands as a truly cutting-edge augmented reality headset, driven by XRE's custom X1 spatial computing chip, delivering ultra-fast 3D tracking with just 3 milliseconds of latency at 120 Hz. This results in remarkably smooth responsiveness and smart, efficient thermal management, even during long, demanding sessions. It introduces a new flat prism waveguide, around 40% thinner than traditional birdbath lenses, while still delivering a sharp and immersive 57-degree field of view. Each eye features a 0.55-inch Sony Micro OLED display at 1080p resolution, producing up to 700 nits of brightness with delta E less than 3, meaning color differences are nearly imperceptible to the human eye. Weighing only 87 grams, the frame is crafted from magnesium alloy and supports 2 interpupillary distance options, along with precise digital tuning. Its electrochromic dimming modes, including clear, shade, and theater, adapt seamlessly to any lighting environment. Open speakers, combined with a quad microphone array, provide immersive audio and crystal-clear voice capture. Integrated controls on the glasses allow quick, intuitive access at any moment. The XRE accessory adds a 12-megapixel camera supporting gesture control, point-of-view recording, and early 6 degrees of freedom tracking. Priced at $649, the One Pro skillfully blends performance, comfort, and intelligent augmented reality features, making it a compelling choice for next-generation experiences in $20,125. And now, we take a closer look at the Hilti TE6A22, a cordless rotary hammer, and a powerful 22-volt tool purpose-built for precise concrete drilling and confident chipping performance. It weighs 8.2 pounds without the battery and delivers an optimal hammer drilling range of 1/4 to 5/8 of an inch, with a maximum diameter capacity from 5/30 of an inch up to 3/4 of an inch. The tool generates a single impact energy of 1.85 foot-pounds, paired with a drilling speed of 1,500 revolutions per minute and a hammering frequency of 5,100 impacts per minute, creating a balanced combination of speed, control, and raw efficiency. Active vibration reduction cuts vibration by up to 2/3, significantly improving comfort and boosting productivity during long work sessions. Fully compatible with all Hilti 22-volt batteries, it features quick-change TEC click chucks for added flexibility on the job. The TEDRS6A dust removal system supports virtually dustless drilling, especially valuable in clean or sensitive environments. Additional practical features include a removable chuck, LED work light, reverse mode, and depth gauge. Triaxial vibration reaches 19.9 feet per second squared for hammer drilling and 10.9 feet per second squared for chiseling. The sound power level is decibels A-weighted, with a sound pressure level of 89 decibels A-weighted. Its applications cover drilling and hammer drilling in concrete and masonry, occasional drilling in wood and steel, and light chiseling and screw driving with the appropriate accessories, making the TE6A22 a reliable, well-rounded tool for demanding professionals. The Niss Gyoplane is a refined 2-seat aircraft designed to serve both relaxed leisure flights and demanding professional missions. Powered by a 141 horsepower Rotax 915 engine, it reaches a top speed of 121 miles per hour, while cruising smoothly between 80 and 100 miles per hour. With an impressive climb rate of 1,300 feet per minute, it allows rapid altitude changes with confidence and control. Its 24-gallon fuel tank delivers an approximate range of 310 miles, making longer journeys both practical and efficient. Built around a welded chrome molybdenum steel frame, the aircraft is paired with a robust rotor system and a composite 3-blade propeller to ensure consistent, reliable performance. The Niss requires a takeoff distance of about 656 feet and lands confidently with a rollout of only 60 feet. Inside, a spacious cabin offers adjustable seating, cabin heating, and modern avionics, enhancing pilot comfort and precision. Added touches like a dedicated luggage compartment and a smoked plexiglass canopy complete a flying experience that feels smooth, secure, and genuinely enjoyable. Next up in our lineup is a product from the German company PowerSlide, specially adapted for off-road use. PowerSlide skates are built for intense urban free-ride skating, delivering a bold and confident ride. The metal frame provides optimal force transmission while enhancing rider protection, and the reinforced fiberglass shell, combined with an adjustable cuff in both flex and height, ensures a locked-in, secure fit. Traditional lacing is paired with a reliable ratchet buckle for added stability and control. The Nexcore Black 80SC is priced at $195, offering a solid balance of durability, performance, and value for riders who demand more from every session. The Benalu Bulkliner S is a high-capacity aluminum body tipper semi-trailer engineered by Benalu for demanding bulk material transport. Its lightweight aluminum construction blends strength with long-term durability, making it perfectly suited for hauling sand, stone, fertilizer, agricultural products, and other loose cargo with confidence. Built with advanced double-skin technology, the trailer maintains a clean, smooth exterior while reinforcing critical internal areas, extending service life without adding unnecessary weight. Available in lengths from 9.7 meters to 11.3 meters and offering volumes between 44.5 cubic meters and 64 cubic meters, it moves large loads with impressive efficiency. At MIT, materials that change color like chameleons are more than just fascinating. They represent the future of materials, science, and engineering. Through the Department of Materials Science and Engineering, one of the world's top-ranked programs, MIT, drives breakthroughs that shape technology, energy, medicine, and manufacturing. Researchers develop high-strength composites, semiconductors, biomaterials, and nanostructured materials designed to perform under extreme conditions, offering superior durability, conductivity, and resistance to heat and corrosion. From nanoscale materials powering energy storage and flexible electronics to biomaterials that support tissue engineering and regenerative medicine, the impact is enormous. Could these innovations redefine how we build, heal, and power our world? The Rocket Max 2 is an ultra-light augmented reality headset, crafted for immersive visuals and true all-day comfort. Weighing only 75 grams, it features soft air-cushioned nose pads and smoothly curved temples that ease pressure during extended wear. It runs dual Sony Micro OLED displays with 1920 by 1080 resolution per eye, expandable to 1920 by 1200 when paired with Rocket Station 2, a 50-degree field of view, 600 nits of brightness, and up to 120 Hz refresh rate, deliver bright, fluid, razor-sharp visuals, further elevated by a 100,000 to 1 contrast ratio. One standout feature is the adjustable diopters, ranging from 0.00 to -6.00 diopters, ideal for users with nearsightedness. Audio is handled by high-fidelity directional speakers and noise-canceling microphones, with Bluetooth earbuds supported for deeper sound immersion. The Max 2 supports HDCP streaming and connects seamlessly with iPhone 15, Android devices, Steam Deck, personal computers, and more. Designed as a display-only device, it requires a smartphone or Station 2 to operate. Priced at $429, the Rocket Max 2 delivers a sleek, comfortable augmented reality experience with premium display performance and broad device compatibility for the year 2025. Moving on to the Valast Compact Spindle Wedge. This is a durable, high-performance tool engineered to make tree felling safer and easier, completely removing the need for axes or sledgehammers. It features a robust spindle made from high-quality chrome molybdenum steel, ensuring long-lasting durability, especially when paired with high-torque impact wrenches. An innovative plain bearing absorbs axial forces, while the spindle is fully enclosed inside the wedge to protect it from dirt and damage during transport. The wedge uses a 14-degree angle, with a lifting height of up to 3.23 inches and a maximum lifting capacity of 57,200 pounds. Optimized for impact wrench operation, it supports up to 1,210 foot-pounds of torque, with a minimum requirement of 370 foot-pounds, and can be retrofitted with an attachment screw if needed. Integrated with the Valink system, it enhances safety by allowing operators to retreat from the danger zone during felling. Its flat, lightweight design boosts efficiency, and the Valfast Compact delivers an outstanding performance-to-weight ratio of just 0.157 pounds per ton of lifting capacity. The wedge can be operated using either an impact wrench or a manual ratchet. The premium set includes a Makita DT-W10002 impact wrench, two 5 amp-hour batteries, a dual charger, and a belt pouch, making this innovative and practical solution ideal for professional loggers and woodworkers who demand reliable tree felling equipment. The Sport Copter M2 is a tough, reliable 2-seat gyroplane engineered to perform in demanding conditions. From off-field landings to agricultural work such as cattle mustering, powered by the 141 horsepower Rotax 915 IS engine, it reaches a top speed of 110 miles per hour and cruises smoothly at around 95 miles per hour. With a climb rate of approximately 1,000 feet per minute, takeoffs feel confident, responsive, and controlled. A flight range exceeding 320 miles allows extended operations without frequent refueling. Built around a strong 4,130 chromoly steel structure and paired with a triple rudder tail made from carbon fiber, the M2 delivers dependable strength and precise handling across varied flight environments. No matter which track you choose, the H2O Go promises non-stop laughter that will leave your sides aching. According to the creators, this ride is all about pure joy and shared excitement. You climb into a massive water-filled balloon and set off on a thrilling adventure that constantly challenges your balance across one of 4 tracks. The legendary Sidewinder track, known as the world's longest, delivers an especially unforgettable rush. Picture rolling along inside the balloon with friends, covering an incredible distance of 350 meters, while water splashes all around you. Organizers even welcome 5-year-old kids, making it an experience the whole family can enjoy. Head to New Zealand to give it a try, and if plans change, there's always the option of a trip to Hobbiton. It's a unique ride packed with fun, excitement, and truly memorable moments. The Pavelli STV Jazz stands out as a refined model within Pavelli's STV series of specialized vehicle transport trailers, engineered by the Italian manufacturer Pavelli SRL. Designed for flexible and efficient transport, the STV Jazz is well suited for moving cars, light machinery, and heavier equipment with confidence and ease. As part of a modular lineup that includes STV Strong, STV Easy, STV Slide, STV Spindle, STV Extra, and STV Light, the Jazz delivers the adaptability and solid construction Pavelli is known for. While detailed specifications remain limited, the trailer is expected to feature extendable decks, hydraulic ramps, air suspension, and remote-controlled winches, enhancing versatility across different transport tasks. After the Archimedes wave swing, here comes another ocean wave-based energy harvester known as the WaveRoller. Developed by AW Energy, this innovative technology is designed to convert ocean wave motion directly into electricity. It works as an oscillating wave surge converter, using a large underwater panel anchored at depths of 26 to 65 feet. As waves move back and forth, the panel oscillates, driving a hydraulic system that generates power. Installed close to coastlines, where wave conditions are strong and consistent, WaveRoller transmits electricity to the grid through a subsea cable. Each unit can produce between 500 kilowatts and 1 megawatt, and multiple units can be combined into wave farms to scale energy production. Designed with environmental protection in mind, the system operates mostly underwater, minimizing visual impact, while its sealed hydraulic system eliminates the risk of fluid leakage into the ocean. The technology delivers stable output even under changing wave conditions and works well alongside wind and solar to strengthen grid reliability. Spanning from the seabed to just below the surface, the panel captures energy across the entire water column. Built to withstand diverse sea conditions, its modular design allows easy maintenance and future upgrades. With high efficiency, zero emissions during operation, and strong integration potential, WaveRoller stands as a powerful contributor to global clean energy solutions. This isn't your typical security camera. It doesn't just sit in a corner and record. This one can actually think and react. Powered by artificial intelligence, it can recognize faces, distinguish people from animals, and decide how to respond. Even in complete darkness, it keeps watch with infrared night vision. Through Wi-Fi, you can check a live feed anytime on your phone. When something suspicious occurs, it starts with a warning, first a laser pointer, then a loud alert. Everything is controlled through the app, where you can set safe zones, mark recognized faces as safe, review recordings, and even disable its firing ability if you prefer. There are different versions to fit your needs. The standard model covers the essentials: face recognition, warning laser, night vision, live streaming, and a paintball system. Eve Simba is designed to deter animals without bothering humans. Using specialized sensors and scent-based projectiles, Eve Plus adds more advanced recognition for both people and animals. While Eve Pro includes every feature available, with a firing system not limited to paintballs, there are 9 types of projectiles, each with a purpose. Pepper 5 and Pepper 10 use pepper irritants, with Pepper 10 being stronger. Standard paintballs leave a visible mark, while SmartTail Invisible uses ultraviolet paint, only seen under special light. Spark balls create flashes and noise. Sound blasts emit a 130 decibel shockwave. Vomitin causes nausea. White smoke curtains block visibility. And empty rounds let you add your own materials. Getting started is easy. Just plug it in, mount it, connect to Wi-Fi, and set it up in the app. You control where it only gives warnings, and where it can actively fire. It never targets known faces, and you can turn off active defense anytime. Sylvester Stallone once owned a 1950 Ford Mercury, the very car he drove in Cobra. Shockingly, it was stolen right from his garage. It makes you wonder if ballistic protection would have helped. That is where this company comes in, offering garage doors billed as the safest in the world. The Violent series comes in 4 versions: Violentum, 1 through Violentum, 4 each tested to withstand threats most people hope they never encounter. At its top level, it can stop rifle fire from weapons like the AK-47. Even the lower ratings block handguns and buckshot. In forced entry tests, it held off a 6-person assault team for 17 minutes, far beyond what most doors can handle. Suspension can make or break a ride, especially when you're pushing your limits on technical terrain. The FoxFloat X2 is designed for riders who demand more than just a soft landing. It's for those who want total control over every millimeter of movement. This isn't an ordinary rear shock. The FoxFloat X2 features a high-volume air spring and a 4-way adjustable damper system, letting you fine-tune high and low-speed compression, as well as rebound. That means you can smooth out chunky descents without losing support on climbs or mid-trail control during big hits. Inside, Fox uses its patented variable valve control for both high-speed rebound and compression, delivering more sensitivity where you need it, and firm support when the trail gets wild. Riders notice the difference immediately. Traction improves, brake chatter fades, and the bike feels planted like never before. Installation is straightforward for modern full suspension bikes, and it comes in multiple sizes. The updated Air can design reduces weight and bulk while still offering a plush, controlled feel over long runs. External adjusters are easy to reach, perfect for quick trailside tweaks. The FoxFloat X2 is priced at $699. The Haven lock is engineered with a wedge system, making it incredibly strong. It can withstand up to 2,000 pounds of force, far more than a typical deadbolt. The main unit is roughly the size of a shoebox and usually takes around 30 minutes to install. You can mount it on either the door or the frame. For power, it supports low-voltage wiring, power over Ethernet, or batteries. and even includes a backup battery for emergencies. This trash can strap is built tough in all the right ways. It stretches up to 48 inches and fits various handle sizes, with a width of about 1 inch and a thickness of 1/4 inch. The anchors and caps are small but sturdy, keeping everything secure once installed. You can use it on nearly any trash can from 30 to 96 gallons, as long as it has handles. Installation is simple. Wrap the strap around the handle, screw it into the side of the bin, snap on the inside cap, and you're done. To lock the lid, just pull the strap down and latch it. Quick, simple, and satisfying. One of its best features is stuffability. It lets you fill the bin 10 to 20% more without the lid popping open, while keeping out raccoons, squirrels, birds, stray cats, and dogs. It won't completely stop a bear, but adding 2 straps can at least slow one down. The strap works with both regular and semi-automated trash pickup, and a new version for fully automated trucks is expected in May 2025. Once installed, you can forget about it until trash day. Bottle cages work until they do not. When you are bouncing down a trail or trying to slide a bottle into a tight frame, traditional side entry cages can feel clumsy. That is where the Fidlock Twist changes everything. It replaces the cage with a sleek magnetic mechanical system that feels futuristic and works flawlessly. The bottle locks into a compact base mounted directly to your bike frame using standard mounts. When you want a drink, just twist and pull, it pops out instantly. To secure it back, hover near the mount, and the magnets snap it into place with a satisfying click. One-handed operation is simple, even on rough terrain or while wearing gloves. The 750 milliliter bottle is perfect for off-road or road riding, BPA-free and dishwasher safe. It features a wide mouth opening for easy filling and cleaning. The lid has a soft push-pull valve that will not leak, even when jostled. The compact mount keeps your frame clean and uncluttered, ideal for bikes with tight geometries or limited space around suspension and gear mounts. At roughly $44 for the set, the Twist 750 is a small upgrade that solves real-world problems with smart, thoughtful design. These fence and wall spikes are designed for one clear purpose: to keep people and animals out, while keeping your home looking neat and discreet. Made from durable plastic, they withstand all weather and blend with most surroundings. Each strip measures about 50 centimeters long, 4.3 centimeters wide, and 1.8 centimeters high, and they can be trimmed for corners or tricky spots. A pack of 10 weighs about 650 grams, enough to cover anywhere from 5 to 15 meters. They come in brown, black, clear, or green. A standard 10-pack costs about $649, enough to cover up to 15 meters. A 5-pack costs $4.99, covering about 2.5 meters. There's also a screw mount version, slightly shorter at 49 centimeters. For birds, taller spikes reach 3.8 centimeters. Whatever version you choose, these spikes work on fences, walls, gates, sheds, or ledges, offering a safe, effective way to prevent people, cats, or birds from climbing where they shouldn't. Sometimes, you don't want to carry a bulky action camera. You just want hands-free footage from your own point of view. That's where the Suku S50 comes in. This compact dual-lens camera mounts easily on your helmet and records both front and rear views at the same time, weighing just 150 grams. It's perfect for cyclists who want simple, reliable recording. The front lens captures video in 2.7K resolution, while the rear records in 1080p, giving you a wide-angle view of your surroundings, whether commuting, group riding, or filming for safety. It captures both angles with a single press. If the G-sensor detects an impact, it locks and saves the footage, preserving crucial moments. It sells for about $139. Thank you for watching today's TechNew video. If you find these technological inventions useful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more shocking content. Share your thoughts about these inventions in the comments section below. See you next time.